What's up, everybody? If you guys are looking for opportunity to make a lot of money, we're going to be going over DabCat again in this video here. These guys have massive potential. Now, this is a pre-sale and there's less than 5 days left. So if you guys want to buy in, you need to make a decision now and get in before the price skyrockets. Potentially, and this is very bold, but potentially skyrocketing 100x in value. Why? Well, a lot of it has to do with the fact that it's going to be launching with a very low market cap. There's going to be a very low amount of tokens outstanding compared to a lot of these other projects, and a ton of utility is being built. So we're going to talk about some of the utility in this video, but also there's going to be a lot of people out there that simply want to cash out because these guys are going to be launching, right, at 2.5 to 5 cents. The current price during the pre-sale is 1 cent. So you're going to have a lot of immediate price gains and a lot of immediate capital gains there. But if you're here for the utility, and you're going to see that in a second here, you can make a lot of money. So before we go through their website and show you all of this utility, show you how you can earn some crazy good passive income, I want to show you how you can buy. And you can see right here, the pre-sale ends in 4 days, 13 hours, and in 54 minutes. Now you can click right here to go out to the pre-sale, and once it loads, it's going to pull you up with this website. It is very easy and user-friendly, so you're going to have no problem figuring it out. And as you can see, you're just going to need to connect your wallet. So you could use Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, and so on in order to do so, and then you're going to be able to buy in. Some of the things you need to understand: the minimum investment, $5. All right, so if you want to go out there with $5, take a chance on it, great. It's going to cap the whales. There's a $25,000 maximum buy-in, which is going to cap the amount of whales out there. And you guys can already add this token to your contract address, and you're going to be able to do it. You're going to be able to have it in your wallet right after purchasing, which is a huge positive. So coming back to their website, let's just take a look at everything that there is about DabCat so you guys know what you're buying into and really how much money you can make. So the first thing you need to look at, the pre-sale details here, and it just shows you can come out here to Bitbon and buy it on that website that I just showed you, or of course you can send your Ethereum, either BEP20 or ERC20, to these two contract addresses right here. I mean, it's up to you which route you decide to go, but sometimes the widgets are a little bit easier and make you a little bit more comfortable. DabCat DeFi apps and utility tools. This is what you need to focus on right now. So you can learn more about each of the DabCat DeFi apps and utility tools. Number one, DabSwap. Now you guys can see here they've got some information, but I've got their white paper pulled up. Now if you guys are interested in learning more about DabSwap here, make sure to go check out their white paper. You guys can find all of this down in the description below. But I do want to say just a couple of points. The first DApp is going to be built and launched during the third quarter of 2024. It's going to be a decentralized exchange on Base, and it's going to be set up to compete with the likes of Aerodrome and BaseSwap. Guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but Aerodrome does about $860 million plus in monthly trading volume, and its token price is trading around $1.20 per token. If DabSwap is able to compete with that, if DabSwap is able to take some of that, I guess, trading volume and some of the market share away from Aerodrome, imagine going up to $1.20 per token. With everything else that these guys are building, that could be a possibility. So it says DabSwap is the DabCat's ecosystem's decentralized exchange. You can swap popular assets on the Base blockchain without complex routes or multiple steps. Deposit tokens directly into trading pools and earn passive income for providing a liquidity to the network. Now, you're going to have huge advantages and be able to make some great rewards simply by providing that liquidity. Of course, there's very low fees. It is user-friendly, and the liquidity pools and yield rewards are where you guys are going to earn a lot of money. So if you buy into DabCat here during the pre-sale, and you're not one of the guys that wants to go out and immediately trade and deal with all of that volatility, you can provide liquidity to these liquidity pools on DabSwap. You are also going to be able to stake. They're building a staking DApp, and this is absolutely incredible. This is almost unheard of, okay? You need to pay attention to this. So you're going to stake DabCat tokens and earn 50% of the revenue, not of the profit. You guys are going to be earning 50% of all of the revenue that DabCat is able to generate. Now, they're building their dab swap, they're building their staking DApp, and they're building their sniper Telegram trading bot this year. So imagine if it gets thousands or even tens of thousands of users utilizing each one of those. I mean, you're going to be talking about a lot of money being split up between the DabCat stakers here. And 50% of the revenue could absolutely be insane. And the best part, this is what I love the most about the entire thing. Yes, the money can be there, but the liquidity is there. There's no vesting period, and there's no lockups. You guys want to stake for a day? Stake for a day. I don't know why you would want to stake from 6 p.m. one night to 11:30 a.m. the next morning. Do it. Unstake and then trade your tokens if you would like. The fact that there's no vesting, the fact that there's no lockups truly shows you that these guys are focused on building instead of focused on making you guys lock your liquidity up and drag you out to further and further stages there. So they've got a lot going on, I guess, on top of the very exciting launch price. Now, some of you guys, you might be very interested in buying into DabCat so that you could take advantage of the long-term growth, the really great passive income that you can get there. But others, you might want to test your trigger finger. How fast are you? You want to buy into the presale and try to sell on launch day? Look at this. The presale price is 1 cent. This is out on their X account. You can see this for yourself. The presale price is 1 cent. Launch price is going to be between 2.5 cents to 5 cents. So if you're thinking about making a nice 5x return on the first day that it launches, and it's launching very, very quickly here. Remember, there's less than 5 days left to buy in. 4 days, 13 hours at the time I'm recording this video. So make sure you guys use the link in the description below right now to go out to DabCat. Grab some of this if you're interested, right? If DabCat's not for you, I get it. But another reason you might be interested, base tokens could explode. Now, Coinbase is doing a lot to build out this network, and they're now introducing a new smart wallet. I'm not going to go through all the features of this smart wallet here. You guys can check this out for yourself. But if you check out Coinbase wallet and then smart wallet, you can see all of these details. This video is not about Coinbase. This video is about DabCat. But DabCat is being built on the base network. So if tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or millions of users begin flocking over to the base network because of everything that Coinbase is building, I mean, you guys could see these little base tokens rip higher. And then, of course, that 100x that we touted at the beginning of the video here would be an absolute possibility. I mean, think about it, guys. Isn't there like 90 million users on Coinbase? If all of them began to trade on the base network, it would explode, and token values like DabCat here would explode as well. Now, the last thing that I want to mention here, we focused heavily on DabSwap, on the staking, and of course we mentioned the Telegram bot, but that is not all that the DabCat ecosystem is building here. In addition to the 3 DApps that we talked about that are going to be planned to launch this year, the DabCat ecosystem is also launching one of those decentralized autonomous organizations, the DAO, and they have an NFT collection coming out as well, which are going to have a lot of utility with the DabCativerse. They're building a metaverse as well, and a play-to-earn metaverse game when that's completed. So guys, if you have any more questions, make sure, reach out to the team. Make sure to check them out on X. Make sure to check out their Telegram. Ask them some questions, get some answers, and let me know if you guys are interested in this pre-sale. I've bought in. I'm excited. I want to know if you guys are excited.